Do you ever feel stuck with English? Like you understand words, but still can't speak confidently? Watch what happens when two old friends meet again, and one of them finally learns the secret to fluency. 6, actually. Come here. I'm so happy to see you.
Same here. You look different, more confident.
Thank you. A lot has changed since we last talked.
Last time I saw you, you were shy about speaking English. You barely wanted to say hello.
Oh, trust me, I remember. I couldn't even order a coffee in English without sweating.
But now, you sound fluent.
I've worked hard these last years. I moved abroad, met people from different countries, practiced every day, and tried every method I could find. And now, English is just part of my life.
That's exactly what I want. I'm still struggling. I keep starting and stopping, studying and forgetting. I feel stuck.
Then today might be your turning point.
What do you mean?
Well, I've helped a lot of people become fluent, and honestly, it's easier than people think. It's not about memorizing grammar. It's about integrating English into your daily life.
I'm so tired of textbooks. I need something real, something alive, something practical.
Perfect, because I use 6 core habits. Let me list them quickly. Speak English as much as possible. Listen to English content daily. Set your phone and computer to English. Practice pronunciation in the mirror. Journal every day. Engage with native speakers.
All that helped you?
Completely. It changed everything. My job, my social life, my confidence. That's why I want to help you. Today, the whole day. We'll practice every method, step by step.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. Think of it as a fluency adventure day.
I missed you, Emma. You always had wild ideas.
And you always needed someone to push you. Now, let's start with speaking. The rest of this day, English only.
All right. Let's do this.
Great. Now, finish your coffee and prepare yourself. We're starting the first exercise right here.
What is it?
Storytelling. Tell me everything you've been doing since we last met in English.
Okay. Here goes.
Today's second exercise. Listening practice through real English content, but not a podcast. Today, we're watching a movie in English, no dubbing.
A movie? In original English? Won't it be too fast?
That's the point. Real English, real speed, real accents. You'll understand more than you think, especially since movies give you visual cues.
Okay, but if I don't understand anything, don't laugh.
I promise. And here's a trick I used when I was learning. Choose a movie that's fun, not complicated. Something with action or comedy, so visual storytelling helps you follow it.
So, what are we watching?
This one, look at the poster. Midnight City. It has simple dialogue, but lots of emotion.
Let's buy popcorn.
Before the movie starts, quick instructions. Don't try to understand every word. Focus on context, expressions, tone. Notice how characters react. It helps comprehension. And most importantly, relax.
I'll try.
How do you understand after 15 minutes?
At first, I sat on the edge of my seat, tense and focused, trying to understand every single line. But a few minutes later, I started to relax. I watched the characters laugh, run, argue, whisper, and suddenly, I felt something changing in me. And finally, I understood that joke.
Of course you did.
Thank you.
How do you feel when the movie is over?
Honestly, I understood more than I expected. Some scenes even felt natural.
Exactly. That's the magic of immersive listening. And if you do this a few times a week, your listening will explode.
I'm starting to believe you.
Good, because this is just the second step.
What's next?
We keep going. So go to the bus stop.
I hope it won't be difficult.
Now, tip 3. Set your phone and computer to English.
What? Everything?
Everything. You won't believe how fast you learn when your daily actions are in English.
Okay. Here we go. Language. English. Done. Oh, wow. Everything is different.
Exactly. Now you learn without studying. Every time you swipe or click, you're practicing vocabulary.
My phone suddenly feels like a teacher.
That's the idea. Now that we're back at your house, listen to the 4th tip. Practice pronunciation in the mirror.
Really? Does that actually work?
Absolutely. When you watch your mouth, you become aware of how English sounds are formed. Stand here, in front of the mirror. Repeat after me. The weather is better than yesterday.
The weather is better than.
Not than, than. Put your tongue gently between your teeth.
Than.
Perfect! Now say the full sentence.
The weather is better than yesterday.
Yes! See? Mirror practice works.
I can actually see the improvement.
Now, we are in a perfect place for reflection. So we try tip 5. Journal in English every day.
But I'm not good at writing.
Doesn't matter. It can be simple. Look, take out your notebook or your phone. Write 3 things. What you did today, what you learned, what you feel.
Okay, let me try. Today I met Emma. She is teaching me English. I feel hopeful.
Beautiful and natural. Writing helps organize your thoughts in English.
I can write more, right?
Of course, the more, the better.
Got it.
Time for the scariest part. Tip 6. Engage with native speakers.
Oh no, I'm not ready.
You are. Look, the seller over there is American. Ask him something simple. I'll stand behind you.
Hello. Do you have sweet apples?
Sure do. Right here, fresh from the farm.
Great. How much are they?
€5 a kilo.
Thank you. I'll take 1 kilo. I did it!
Yes. And the more you talk, the easier it becomes. Native speakers are usually happy to help.
I feel like I climbed a small mountain.
And the next ones will be smaller.
I never imagined learning English like this. It actually feels alive.
Because today wasn't just lessons. It was real life in English.
Let me see if I remember the tips. Speak more in English. Listen to English content. Change phone and computer language. Practice pronunciation in the mirror. Journal every day. Engage with native speakers.
Perfect. You learned all 6, and you practiced all 6.
You know, for the first time, I feel like fluency is possible.
It is. And you didn't need a classroom. You needed a day of courage. Let's finish the day with one more small challenge. A full 2-minute conversation entirely in English. No pauses, no switching.
All right, I'll try. What should I talk about?
Anything. Tell me about your dream.
Okay, my dream is to live in another country, maybe Canada or Ireland. I want to understand people when they talk fast, and I want to feel confident in every conversation. I want to read books without translating every word, and I want to travel without fear.
That's wonderful. And you're already closer than you think.
Honestly, today felt like magic, like someone opened a door in my mind.
That door is English fluency. And now it's unlocked.
I can't believe how much I learned in just one day.
Because you practiced with intention. That's the secret.
Thank you, Emma. Really.
Anytime. And tomorrow, practice again. One day at a time.
Deal.
And so, under the warm glow of the cafe lights, Liam discovers something important. Fluency isn't a dream. It's a daily habit built through small, real moments. And today was the first of many.